Hello guys, and hello guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a camera engine, 2D engine, but with camera. So for this one, I'm gonna teach you how did I make a 3D engine soon after this video. So to make this, we're gonna use two variables called camera X and camera mirror Y. So if you're curious, but there's also mouse X and mouse Y. Yes, that can actually be used for other things, but yeah, I was this bit. Well, if you want pointer lock, you could use that, but this is non-pointer lock. Anyways, for this one, so make a go to block X, no, X, Y. Go to Y, X, X. So if you don't understand what X is for, X is actually for literally here. So in 3D, it's here. So this is 2D. So this is gonna be the test background because there's none left. But this will actually be so now for this we're gonna go add the camera. Now this is gonna be so easy because go to X plus camera X and go to NYS Y plus camera Y. It's very so simple. Like go to 0 and 0. It really will do nothing. So what about the player? So this is really an object, so we're just gonna do is forever go to negative 170 and negative and but we're gonna add pointer lock. You can do anything you want. Now set camera Y and set camera X to mouse X and mouse Y. Now it's gonna follow your mouse, by the way, so yeah, it's fine. So it's gonna be go to the edge. So for this, I have another idea. For your player, it will stay on the middle because it's not gonna move. So now we're gonna do player. We're gonna remove Yeah, we're just gonna delete anything, everything, and done. Now for this one, it's gonna if now forever if now you can do anything if key space clicked change camera X by 1. Now let's change this to D. So we're gonna change it by 10 because 10 is actually better. Now, now here's its list. Now, if key W and key S, you already know what to do. So this is what we are gonna get. Now the problem is so if you now well, what is that? So now it's supposed to actually be here. So it's actually supposed to be on 178, but it's still gonna be there forever. So yeah. So here's the example. So this also works for 3D. This is an example for 3D, but I'm gonna teach that soon. Now, for this, we're gonna use $145 x negative 92. Negative 111. Bro. If they keep being on the same thing. So this engine is still broken. But yeah, it's gonna be fixed soon. Negative 77. And negative. And now that now here is the game. Now, here how it looks. So it looks like you're actually moving, but you're actually not. So, yeah. So yeah, that's how